7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Volley fire.
Holy shit. Way the fuck over there? Oh, it just now started smoking. I can't get the fuse.
Oh, you just landed that smoke burnt, the one you just fired, landed right in front of the mortar pit.
I can't get the fuse.
Oh no! Dangerous fucker.
I can't get the fuse. Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one.
Oh yeah, we're peppering the shit out of them. Ooh, this is nice. Very smoky, very smoky.
It's short. And there's one more yellow. It's stuck in the barrel.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. I have no more yellow.
Now after that,
Uh-oh.
oh,
We'll go.
get in there.
Oh, look, the fuse burned off. And it's smoking already.
Is that your last smoke?
Nope, we got one more.
Hey, you want to come up here, Randy, and check out your damage? We've done pretty good damage here.
Let the fuse burn off. Yep.
No, it doesn't appear. And the infantry is supposed to do what?
No. I know, yeah. Honestly, I don't know what our overall mission is, but yeah, take a look at the damage.
Somebody forgot to build infantry.
Yeah, I know. Oh, that's pretty good smoke coverage.
Yeah, too bad we don't have somebody attacking.
We don't have anybody doing it.
Well, it is what it is. Whew. Little wimpy day.
Can we shift any?
Yeah, I mean,
For I am kind. Embrace me as her king and as her god.
with you, if you're going to shift, I would go this way. Yeah. Unless you just want to do traverse and search.
Little part two. What the fuck?
Yeah, do traverse and search it.
Like the last 3 rounds are blown apart.
I don't know what to tell you. It is what it is. Oh no!
I couldn't get it.
Oh no!
Don't do that again. It's getting stuck in there.
Sliding down. Sorry, Randy.
All right, no problem. That was a little wimpy one.
Sliding down. I was standing.
Yeah, that one's good. Ugh, oh, oh.
We said hanging.
Yeah, you gotta yell fire.
Gotta yell fire.
Everybody's gotta get attention. You gotta fire.
Hold on.
Hanging means you put it in the barrel. Fire means it's about to fire.
There we go. That one stayed together.
Hold on.
Want to try to bounce it up one more? See red?
Let's try red.
Hanging.
Thank you.
There you go. Now you get the hang of it.
Fire.
There you go. That's the way it works. Whose way?
Where the fuck did that go?
All right, here's your red.
Yeah, I lost that one. Hanging.
Hang.
Fire.
Fooya.
Hanging.
There we go.
Fire.
Fire.
You want to drop some? Sure. Okay. Hanging.
Hang on.
Fire.
Fooya.
Leave it.
Hanging. Fire.
Fooya.
Hanging.
Hanging.
Oh man, look at that baby truck. Wow.
Fire.
Fooya.
Time Central.
Ooh,
Damn.
that was a 300.
It's a blue. Almost between the white balls, huh?
Oh, where'd it land?
This disc landed right outside of your.
Ah, they missed us. The enemies are trying to take us out with their mortars, but they missed.
Oh, fucking chain broke off, Eric.
What's that?
Hanging. Yeah, I fucking broke the shit out of it.
Schmiggity.
Fire. We have no more reds.
Correct.
All right.
Fire!
Hanging.
I can't see a bird. I have no
I
idea.
got it.
Yeah.
Right. Almost between the white poles, huh?
Oh, I see his.
I think that was the ground charge.
Blue on 2.